If you've been dropshipping for a while, you probably remember Oberlo, the app that made important products from AliExpress to Shopify super easy. But since Oberlo's shut down, DSers has become its official replacement. So what's changed in 2025? First off, DSers isn't just a clone of Oberlo, it's a serious upgrade. In 2025, DSers are faster, more stable, and offer bulk ordering, which saves a ton of time when fulfilling orders. It can process hundreds of orders at once instead of clicking through them one by one. DSers also gives you more control. It lets you map multiple suppliers for a single product, helps you and also which helps you avoid delays and finds better prices. Their product import tool is smarter too. It cleans up titles and variants so you spend less time editing. One of the biggest updates this year is the supplier optimizer, which helps you automatically pick the best suppliers based on price, shipping speed, and reviews. That's something Oberlo never had. Bottom line, if you're still missing Oberlo, don't. These is in 2025 are simply better. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video where I'll show you how to set up these step by step.